Today I want to show you the science behind the ring and chain trick. Is it magic or is it science? Find out in RamZland. So all you need for this demonstration is a chain and a ring. And the first thing you'll notice is if you just drop the ring through the chain, it just falls on the table. It doesn't, as if by magic, tie itself in a knot around the chain. But if you change the way you hold the ring between your index finger and your middle finger and your thumb, and you put your fingers on each side of the chain like this, if I just release my thumb, but not my index finger, watch what happens. It catches the chain. Isn't that amazing? So why is it that if I let go of my thumb, the ring is caught in the chain, but if I just release it with both fingers at the same time, it falls right through the chain? You know, maybe the best way is to build a larger model so you can see what the ring is actually doing as it falls through the air. Check it out. All I'm using to create my larger model of the ring and chain trick is 1-inch nylon strap. This is 15 feet, using 2 binder clips and flexible tubing that you just wrap into a circle. The first step is to cut 2.5 feet of flexible tubing, and to cut a notch in one end right here, just pinch it and squeeze it into the other end to make your ring. The second step is to fold each end of your nylon strap and to put it around a binder clip that you can hang from your ceiling. So it looks like that. The next step is to use 3M self-adhesive hanging hooks and to position these 15 inches apart to hang each end of your binder clip from. So eventually it's going to look like this. So this way you have plenty of time to see the ring as it changes its motion all the way down to the bottom of the nylon strap. You'll have to forgive the curtain over here. That's part of the inertia demonstration I'm going to do later. Okay, so just like before, if I just hold the ring and drop it with both hands at the same time, it just falls to the floor. But what if I just hold it by one hand? Check out what happens to the ring as I let go. If I'm holding the ring, if I just loosen my grip, you'll see that it falls forward. So if I just continue to let it fall like that, watch what happens to the ring as it falls down the strap. It gets caught. Here it is. Let's watch that in slow motion. Or is it science? Well, if you look at how I'm holding the ring, I'm only holding it on one side. When I loosen my grip, the gravitational torque on this side of the ring pulls it to the ground. And that rotation or that angular movement continues to act on the ring's center of mass, causing it to turn one time. And as it rotates, that causes the strap to create a knot right here around the ring, holding it to the strap. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.